Hi everybody, in this quick video we're going to give you a quick overview on how to use nDash to manage content creation with your in-house team. Let's take a look. You can add your fellow coworkers under the group settings page or under the My Writers tab on the left-hand menu. This is also where you'll see a new subsection of writers labeled in-house. From there, employees can be added as a contributor or as an in-house writer. Contributors have access to paid projects that you might have going with freelance writers. So if you don't want them seeing this info, just add them as an in-house writer. You can start working with your team in a few different ways, by requesting content ideas, or by sending them an assignment directly. Once a project is underway, you can use the assignment thread to keep track of edits, revisions, and comments in one place. And once completed, you can export the content into various apps and CMS platforms. Content creation is a team sport, and we hope you find nDash to be the easiest way to get everyone involved and keep everyone accountable. If you have any questions, head on over to our help center or give us a shout. Thanks for watching.